everybody, hi guys, a very good evening and a very warm welcome to the Dhamakedar Paratedar and Mazdar super important concept video by Vedantu Young Wonders about the much awaited and on audience demand, the topic ray diagrams. Now, whether you are in grade 7, grade 8, grade 9 or grade 10 or you are going to go in grade 9 or 10, this topic is very important for all the grades. Ray diagrams is a very super important concept if you are a student of science, right? Irrespective of the grade, irrespective of the board, it is very important concept for all of you, right? So on public demand, after getting so many requests for this topic, I finally cumulated this topic and tried to do justice to how much ever I can teach you, because I can't go too much in depth because you guys are very young, and I can't even be very superficial because है आपको grade 7 में आपको convex lens, convex mirror, concave lens, concave mirror सब कुछ है और उसमें कैसे टाइप के images बनते हैं ये भी है. So I have done justice how much ever I could. Let us find what other this topic holds for us. Now ये क्यों नहीं चल रहा है? Okay, just a minute. Okay, yes. So do not forget guys, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Talking about giving this video a big fat thumbs up, yesterday I did a video on where was Pritesh, so and I was back. And guys, that video has crossed 6,000 views in 24 hours. Whoop, hey, yes. So that's great guys, we have crossed 6,000 views and the comments were amazing. There was one student who said that ये प्रीतेश सर है, ये उनकी वाइफ है और हमें पार्टी चाहिए. I put that image on my Instagram. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, please do follow me on Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu, because there it's fun, it's lit. Instagram is lit, and I always try to put up snippets from what you guys send me. So it's amazing. So follow me on Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu if you haven't followed me yet, and do subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free. YouTube is a completely free online learning platform where you can learn, grow and evolve with Vedantu. So subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders. It's absolutely free of cost. And many exciting series are coming up for all of you, like the summer camp. The summer camp is coming, in which I already told you yesterday that coding is a part of it. V Pathshala is coming up, and we are also going to be learning. Should I tell you? Should I not tell you? Should I tell you? Should I not tell you? We'll be learning many new things which are non-academic. So yes, we are also going to be learning quite a lot of non-academic things during the summer camp, and it's gonna be lit. So please subscribe to the channel, it's absolutely free of cost, and do spread the word about this video and all the other videos of the channel with your friends and family. Right now guys, moving ahead, if you want to learn with me in detail without leaving any stone unturned, if you want to get one-on-one learning experience with Vedantu's amazing hand-picked teachers, then guys, you have got to take the Vedantu Pro subscription, which is giving you unlimited live classes, quizzes, competition with students across the globe, replays, quizzes, leaderboards, handwritten notes of the master teachers. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, I had put an image of a biology dictionary which I had made when I was in high school. So guys, getting your teachers' handwritten notes is really a blessing in disguise, and I don't want any of my extra special children to miss on that. So guys, if you want the teacher's own handwritten notes, then you've got to subscribe to Vedantu Pro subscription, in which you're getting more than 5,000 micro courses and free crash courses. The more classes you take, the lesser is the amount you pay. And see guys, the YouTube channel, this where you're watching me, that is absolutely free. But the Pro subscription, if you take, for that मतलब थोड़ा तो पैसा देना पड़ेगा, not too much. You don't have to sell your kidney or you don't have to take a loan. It's very minimal amount. So if you're interested to buy the Vedantu Pro subscription and learn with me and all the other amazing your favorite master teachers from Vedantu, then you've got to go on the link which is pinned in the chat. You can also go on the link in the description and use this discount code. This code is gonna give you a flat 20% discount, and you just pay rupees 2159 for learning for a month. That is just rupees 11 per class, which is cheaper than buying a good pen as well, right? So you can buy this and learn with us. Now, talking about the topic, that is mirror versus lens. So first, let us understand that what is the difference between a mirror and a lens, right? So mirror is a reflecting surface. Mirror is a reflecting surface. Lens is a non-reflecting surface, right? This is the basic definition. Both concave, convex, mirror as well as lens, all of them are the parts of a sphere. All of them are parts of a sphere. All of them are parts of a sphere, right? Excuse me. Apart from that, if you talk about concave mirror, so how do you draw a concave mirror? So remember, spoon is the perfect example of a concave mirror or a concave or a convex mirror. Spoon is the perfect example. The cave part is something which is going to reflect. So you draw a excuse me, you draw a curve and you draw these lines. You draw a curve and you draw these lines. These lines tell you that this is the reflecting part. This is the reflecting part. If you're drawing the lines outside, right? Similarly, if you draw an opposite curve and you show the lines over here, if you draw the opposite curve and you show the lines inside, which means this becomes your reflecting surface. So this becomes convex, whereas this becomes your concave. So mirror is a reflecting surface, lens is a non-reflecting surface. Okay? So you have to show these lines. These lines are very important when you are showing a mirror. In lens, there are no lines. In lens, there are no reflecting lines. These are called the reflecting lines, right? So that is the difference between the concave mirror and convex mirror or lens, whatever. Okay? Now moving on. What is the difference between a mirror and lens? So mirror reflects, lens does not reflect. It will refract. Refraction we will learn in higher classes. Both mirror and lens follow the laws of reflection. Now this particular line is super important. It is super important. This can come as a true or false. Right? This can come as a true or false. Who follows the laws of reflection? Both mirrors and lens follow the law of reflection. A mirror can be plane or spherical. A lens is usually concave or convex. So mirror can be plane or concave convex. Lens will only be concave or convex. Lens cannot be plane. There cannot be a plane lens. Then it is not called a lens. It is just a glass. When you are saying lens, it has to refract light. If there is a plain glass piece which is flat, then it is not a lens. Only if it is concave or convex, you will call it a lens. So that is the difference between lens and glass. The difference between lens and glass is the lens is a bit curved. It will refract. It will change the direction of light. But a plain piece of glass, a round piece of glass, it is glass. It is not a lens. Right? Sure. Moving on. Now, what are the laws of reflection? So the laws of reflection are, again, it is super important that the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane, and the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. These are the two important. This is super VIP slide. Laws of reflection, very important. Laws of reflection, very important. Okay? Sure. Incident ray, reflected ray and the normal ray. Which is the incident ray? The ray which is making the incidence angle. This is the incident ray. It will always be marked with an I. This is the reflected ray. It will always be marked with an R. Okay? The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal, they all lie in the same plane. Again, this total is going to be 90 degrees. It is a perpendicular angle. And this total is also going to be 90 degrees. Right? So always remember that this angle is going to be equal to this angle. That is, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Got it? Got it? Left-handed, you are also left-handed, dear learners, that's amazing. Chalo, moving on. Okay, now convex lens is the ones which will merge. It will converge. Convex will always converge, which means when light falls on it, it will merge the rays of light. It will merge the rays of light. Whereas concave lens, it will always diverge the rays of light. It will spread light. Concave will spread light, and that is why in a torch you will use a concave lens. Why you will use a concave lens in a torch? Because torch का काम क्या है? What is the use of a torch? The use of a torch is to show you the road in dark, is to show you the things in the dark, which means it should spread light. It should spread light. Who spreads light? Concave lens. It diverges. It spreads the light. And that is why concave lens is used in torches, because it spreads light. Convex will converge. Converge. Remember, convex, converge. A convex lens will converge. It will bring all the light on one place. When you want to pinpoint on something, you will use a convex lens, like a laser light. Laser light is not for spreading, it is for pointing. And that is why in laser lights you will use a convex lens. It will always converge, it will always diverge, right? Then convex lens will always form a real and inverted image. It will always form a real and inverted image. What do you mean by a real image? What do you mean by a real image? Which you cannot obtain on screen. Cannot obtain. I think it means this only, right? And virtual image, erect image. Erect means this is the object, this is the object, this is the image. That is called erect. But the size will be diminished. The size will be diminished, right? So it will form virtual, erect, real and inverted. Real and inverted. Real and inverted. Okay? So that is the difference between convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens and concave lens. Okay? Now, okay. So NISA, we have not reached on mirrors yet. We will talk about mirrors, but we have not reached on mirrors yet. Now we are only discussing about lenses. Okay? So remember, convex lens will form real inverted, concave lens will form virtual, erect and diminished image. Virtual, erect and diminished image. Okay? Chalo, moving on. Convex mirror and concave mirrors. Now let us learn about the mirror. So, a concave mirror, see, what was concave lens doing? What was concave lens doing? Concave lens was forming a virtual, erect and diminished image. Right? It was forming a virtual, erect and diminished image. Let us see concave mirror now. Real, inverted, real, inverted, real, inverted, real, inverted, real, inverted. Either diminished, same size, enlarged, highly enlarged. Right? So when you bring the image closer, it will form an enlarged image. When the image is far, it will be diminished, and when the image is at the center of curvature, it will be of the same size. So basically, concave lens is virtual, erect. Concave lens is virtual, erect. Concave mirror is real and inverted. Whereas the image can be diminished, same size or enlarged. इसका पूरा ऑपोजिट. Concave lens was virtual erect diminished. Concave mirror is real inverted diminished same size or enlarged. Right? That is concave. So is concave clear? Is concave clear? Is concave clear? Concave lens real. No, sorry. Concave lens virtual erect diminished. Concave mirror real inverted diminished enlarged or same size. Lens and mirror is completely opposite. Lens and mirror is completely opposite. Okay? That is about concave mirror. Now let us see about convex mirror. So convex mirror was forming. Convex lens का पहले देख लेते हैं. Convex lens was forming a real inverted image, whereas your convex mirror is forming a virtual and erect image, and that is why your convex mirror is used in vehicles rear mirror. When you are driving a vehicle, oh, it has stopped. Wait guys, wait. Yeah, now I'm back. ठीक है? So okay. So what I was saying is that when you're driving a vehicle, you have to see the entire road. Whatever is going on behind you, right? So when you have to see the entire road through one small mirror, that mirror should be able to accommodate the entire road in that small space. And that is why you need a diminished image which is virtual and straight. You can't see the road up and vehicles down, right? You can't see ulta. You have to see straight. So you have to use a mirror which can accommodate the entire road in that small mirror. And that is why you will use a convex mirror in the vehicles, right? In the vehicles. Okay? Okay, 1 minute. Yes. Chalo. Done. So that is about convex lens, convex mirror, concave lens, convex mirror. Okay, 1 minute. Done. So guys, that is it. That is what we have learned. But before we go back, let us revise once again. So concave lens will form virtual erect diminished. ठीक है, यहीं पे मैं लिख लेता हूँ so that it will be easier. This is lens. कौन सा lens? Concave. Right? What about? It is opposite to virtual is real, opposite to erect is inverted, and you know the image can be diminished or large or same size. This is for mirror. Let us go there now. Real and inverted for convex lens, whereas virtual, erect, diminished. This is for mirror. Done. This is for mirror. Got it? Chalo. So guys, that was about convex lens, concave mirror, convex mirror. ठीक है? I hope you guys have understood this topic. Just remember lenses. Just remember the nature of lens mirror is completely ulta. Mirror is completely ulta. ठीक है? So that is about concave lens, concave mirror, convex mirror. Again it has stopped. Yeah, now it's back. Chalo. So guys, that is it. है ना? Now again we'll be meeting with more such important concepts, and yeah, in tomorrow's class there is definitely going to be a mentee as well, right? So I hope you guys understood this concept. If you did, do give this video a big fat thumbs up, and if you want to learn with me in detail, in depth, then guys you can take the Vedantu Pro subscription by using the coupon code PRPRO, right? That will give you a flat 20% discount. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu to get a sneaker peek in my life, right? Thank you so much, guys. Do not forget to join us on Telegram and join me on Instagram and subscribe to the channel, right? So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Do give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment section what important concepts more do you want to learn. We are also going to be taking up sample papers next week onwards. Tomorrow's topic that we are going to take is adolescence and puberty. All the concepts, all the topics from that topic is going to get covered tomorrow, and also there is going to be a live mentee. See you tomorrow at 9 p.m. with adolescence and puberty. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. Until we meet next, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. Do not forget to sanitize and smile, because you have to spread the smile, not the virus. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.